You're welcome to Christmas with Mr. Osita. In this video, we'll be talking about division of decimal numbers by multiples of 10 up to 90. Now, when we talk of division, what do we mean? We say division is a mathematical operation of sharing numbers into two or more equal parts. Now, let's look at example. We have divide the following. 241.2 divided by 30. 241.2 divided by 30. Now, what do we do when we want to divide this? What we have to do is just let us expand this to the multiples of 10. Now, what are the numbers? What number do I multiply? Multiples of 10. Do I multiply to give me 30? I know that 5 times 6 will give me 30. But we are not talking about 5 times 6. Now we are trying to expand that number. Now, expanding it, we're going to do the multiples of 10. So we have 10 times 3 will give you, or 3 times 10 will give you 30. So we have 3 times 10. Now in dividing, we're going to divide by 3. So we use the method of long division, and we have 241.2 divided by 3. So we have our direction DMSBR. Now first, we're going to be dividing 24. Now 24 divided by 3 will give us 8. We've divided. Now the next one is multiply. 8 times 3 will give us 24. We've multiplied. The next one is subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. The next one we've subtracted. The next one is bring down. We'll now bring down 1. We've brought down 1. Now the next one is repeat the process. We say DMSBR. 1 divided by 3 will give us 0. Then we have divided. The next one is multiply. We say 0 times 3 will give us 0. We've multiplied. The next one is subtract. You put your subtraction sign, you subtract. 1 minus 0 will give you 1. You've subtracted. Now the next one is to bring down. You bring down your 2. And the next one is repeat the process. That is DMSBR. But remember, we have a decimal point here. After treating this one, you put your decimal points. Now we are to divide 12. Now we say, first of all, the operation is 12 divided by 3, we have what? 4. Then you've divided. Then the next one is multiplication. We say 4 times 3 will give you 12. You've multiplied. You cancelled multiplication. Then the next one is subtraction. You put your subtraction sign and you subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. You've subtracted. There is nothing to bring down. There is nothing remaining or anything to repeat. So what we have now is 80.4. Remember that we are not done. We are only using 3 to divide this number, and it's giving us 80.4. Now, when we use 10 to divide, then we say 10 divide this number, it will move the decimal point to the left hand side. Therefore, when it moves the decimal point, when you cancel it, when it moves the decimal point to the left hand side, we now have 8.04. This becomes your answer. Now let's try these evaluation questions. We have divide these. We have 135 divided by 50. That was the first one. The second one is 184.2 divided by 20. What you have to do is expand 50 in multiples of 10. That is 5 times 10. Then you use 5 to divide this before you use 10 to divide. The same thing is applicable here. You expand 20, which is 2 times 10, and you divide this by 2 before dividing by 10. Why we are using this method is that we have done the division of 10 100, 1000, 10,000 in a simple way by moving the points to the left. Follow this step and you'll get your answers right. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share and like the video.